Cherise Martin from Batangas City. Tanong ko lang, paano mo nababalance sa pagiging estudyante at pagiging volleyball player? Kasi someday gusto ko maging kagaya mo.
Pagiging student athlete is hindi madali. So, kailangan ng time management, kailangan alam mo yung mga priorities mo. Kung may assignments ka sa school, kailangan matapos mo muna yun, and then kapag may time ka magpahinga ka. And then kapag time ng training ka. So, basically, yung pinaka-importante is time management. Alam mo kung anong gagawin mong una, alam mo kung anong gagawin mo sa time mo. Yun.
Hi, Aragalang! Ako nga pala si Angelica ng Batangas. Bakit ang galing-galing mo?
Siyempre, para maging magaling na volleyball player, kailangan dyan yung disiplina. Siyempre, kailangan may time ka para mag-practice. Marami kasing skills yung volleyball eh. So, from there, kailangan siyempre, everyday nag-i-improve ka rin. Kailangan lalagyan mo ng goal yung sarili mo everyday para tumataas yung level mo.
O, ayan. Nakita nyo na ang feature namin with Ara Galang. Alam nyo ba, first year pa lang kami, mag-asama na kami. First year, second year, nakuha namin yung championship. And then, syempre, hindi naman sa lahat ng oras makukuha namin yung panalo. Fourth year, UAAP Season 77, may masamang nangyari na semis pa lang, na-injure na siya. Entering the finals, syempre, nahirapan kami na mag-adjust, lalo na alam naman nating malaking part siya ng team. So, nung nalaman namin na na-injure siya, medyo nahirapan kami, nalungkot kami. Pero, nakita namin sa mga mata niya na gusto niya makabalik. Nung 5th year kami, gusto niya maglaro. Pinakita niya sa amin, pinakita niya sa lahat ng mga tao na babawi siya. So ngayon, pag-graduate namin, champion kami. And syempre ngayon, we're very happy na magkasama kami ngayon sa F2 Logistics and naglalaro kami ngayon sa PSL. Oh, balik na tayo sa match of the week natin. Pasok na tayo sa second set.
Hirap talaga magpalipad ng aeroplano rito. Samantala, ito na. Game na tayo. Regalo. Hindi lang na pagsamantalahan ni Mika. Hinalugan sila.
Yan ang kailangan ng Petron. Yun nga yung sinasabi din ni Coach George kanina during one of his timeouts. Itong volleyball, hindi to dapat palakasan, pautakan to. You just have, again, I mean, I say it all the time, hanapin mo yung butas, hanapin mo kung saan ka makakapuntos at kung saan yung mas may-reserve yung energy mo.
Lalo na ngayon, you're down one set against a team that's undefeated. 5 straight wins. Zipped over by Palma. The strike by Cruz. Regalo!
It's gonna be hard for Petron. They have to be careful of that, especially since they're receiving and their setter is a backliner. Ang lalaki ng blockers na itong F2. Pag talagang dikit yan sa net, panigurado, regalo yan para sa kanila.
And you think Kim B is not going to burn you or hurt you. In the meantime, Chuck Cruz with a wasted serve. It is 2-1 in favor of Petron Triactive. Triactive Spikers down in the set count, losing the first set 25-15. Yun, gumulong ang bola. Kombinasyon. Sa kabila. Labas. Check ball. Check ball. Umaangal ang cargo movers. Ramil De Jesus is off from his seat. Watch this. Nakasalat.
Mukha naman, oo.
The serve in play. That stays down. And Galang finding the connection. Started off with a great pass from Don Macandili, actually. When the libero gets to give the ball nicely to the center, usually good things happen. Reyes and her serve in play.
Nice!
Oh, nicely done.
Tsaka, nag-adjust lang din si Bernadette Pons doon. It was a quicker play, but I think it was too low for her. Kaya yung approach niya, very explosive eh.
Kasi hindi naman quick hitter siya.
Oo.
Malulunod siya dun eh. Sloppy play on that last exchange by F2. Macandili. Huli, binalik. Binalik!
Nice! So, mas aggressive na dito yung Petron. It's not like back in the first set na kung babalik sa kanila yung bola, someone would just still get it underhand, ipapasa pa sa setter, pero ngayon, inatake na kagad ni Molina.
Exactly. 5-2 ang bilang natin. Petron jumping out faster than F2 here in the second set. Alive.
Good coverage.
Yes, indeed. The drop, Molina. Good pick up by Bang Pineda. The one-handed push. Abby Maranya stretches with. Alanganin. Hindi napalo. Hindi pa rin napalo. Open!
A very nice rally at napakaganda nung timing ni KKD. Alam mo yung mga ibang blockers, binibitawan na nila yan because it is, you know, a long rally at medyo mababa para kay Molina. But KKD was there and she timed it perfectly.
Parang Korean makeup product yun, no? KKD. Oh! Tito Sugar!
Finally, nakuha ni Pontillas yung gusto niyang height, gusto niyang speed. At nag-connect na rin sila ni Masangkay.
Gagalitin tong alin to. Oh, kita may pitik ng kamay. Parang may hawak ng pistol eh. Pardov and Maranyo. To the other end. Long. Yes, out.
I know the instruction was keep it away from the net, pero ang nangyari doon, nakailalim din si Ces Molina sa bola.
When you're under the ball, you usually end up hitting it long or mishitting it. In the meantime, the referee, Bukid, the number 2 man downstairs, making sure that the ball, an errant ball, was not going to mess up the serve. But it is a messed up serve. It is now a 7-4 first set. Here's a unit on the floor para sa Petron. They seem comfortable with each other. It's a tall unit, and they have able hands in almost every position there. Becomes a free ball. Opportunity for Petron. Yes!
Alam mo, nandun na yung blockers for Remy Palma, but she was able to, you know, get it through. Naibabawan niya, kumbaga, itong mga blockers.
We are into our first technical timeout of the second set. It's an 8-4 count. Back with more PSL action after this.